So I'm just enjoying myself with the power on now, and all of a sudden, I start hearing this very weird whistle sound. I'm familiar with like hikers and stuff. They take whistles with them so that if they get lost in the woods, they can use their whistle. It sounded like that. And then it went on for like 20 or 30 minutes straight. You know, I'm feeling really compelled.
Right.
And like, is this mine to save this person? Is there a person out there in the woods lost? I'm just going to Google whistle in the woods. Like, what makes a whistling sound in the woods?
Right.
And none of it was good.
Tracy is telling me this story, and then she brings us up haints. And I'm like, what? You say these things like everybody knows, like haints and the Gulakachi people.
What about
you're
boo hags? Do you know what boo hag is?
I've heard of a boo hag.
Okay.